It's all the cute decorative stickers with kitty kitties. New stickers, new bullet journal sticker book, new cat planner sticker book, a new bookworm planner sticker book, and 9 new clear washi tapes from Rongrong. Let's start here with bullet journal. So this sticker book is 26 pages of black and white stickers for doing all your bullet journaling and planning. Let's do a quick flip. All right, let's flip fast. I'm just gonna flip through all the pages and kind of leave out the commentary at this time. We just wanna see the stickers, right? So all of these are white paper stickers, which you can write on in your planner or your bullet journal. So they're made like super nice and thick so that you can use pens or markers and write directly on them. Trackers too, and labels and numbers and words. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, I love these. Icons. Ooh, and some clear ones in the back. These pretty floral drawings. There you have it. Next up, cat planner sticker book. This one was a collab with Michelle from Plan On It. Okay, let's do a quick flip of this one. It's all the cute decorative stickers with kitty kitties. Okay, quick flip. Oh, look how cute. Ah! These are so cute. Okay, so here's what I want to know. Are you a cat person or are you a dog person? Leave that in the comments if you're a cat or a dog person. Honestly, I am a dog person and I'm allergic to cats, but we have the cutest cat that lives in our neighborhood and he comes to visit us and he's really sweet and he looks just like this one. So these are very similar to the dog sticker book stickers, which are so cute. Love the adorableness of these. Like, look at these little cat head stickers. And I love, like I did my Plan With Me with the dog sticker book has like a pink footprint or paw print theme and it's so cute. Look at the little mice toys. Oh my gosh. So this book has paper and clear, like these ones in the back are clear stickers, decorative stickers. Cat mom, crazy cat lady. So it has a collection of paper and clear stickers and some functional words in the back. So this one is the cat planner sticker book. Next up, Bookworm planner sticker book. This one's 24 pages of premium planner stickers. This one's a collab with JoJo from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Let's check it out. Quick flip. I love this color palette. Okay, I love these colors, like pink and yellow and purple. Oh, yes. These are my vibe colors. Yes, this is a really great, I love this color palette. This one has like some black and white and some color stickers. And look, you can write in the names of the books you're reading. So it has a lot of those stickers for tracking. Oh, this is a good idea. You know how you put your "this book belongs to" labels in your books? Those are in here too. And here's like your book tracker chart stickers, a couple of those. I love that. So you can color it in however you want and fill in all the names of your books. Here's some like decor. I'm gonna have a room like this vibe someday. I have the room. We just haven't like decorated it yet to have like a nice quiet place to read. So this will definitely be my vibe for that room when we get it done. Love this one. Bookworm planner sticker book. You guys, Rongrong made giant clear washi tapes for us. Pet tapes, which is short for polyester, but they're really, to me, this is clear tape. Now, supposedly these are already perforated, so I can't wait to see how that works. So let's peel off this label and open the first one and start trying it out. Okay, it has like a little protective cover on it. Scooch those over here. Let's open this up. Okay, I wanted you to see up close. Each of these designs is already cut out, so you can peel it right off the clear backing. Oh my gosh. Let's open the next one. I love that it's totally packaged and protected. So you just take all that packaging off of it and it's perfect. This next one has a butterfly floral theme. These are so pretty and I love the cutouts. Like you can just peel off your little butterfly and then place it right in your planner or on your hand. Okay, this one is different. It has the girls going this way. Let's check this one out. I love the one with the lemons. Look how pretty these are. These are like spring. Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a whole roll of the Rongrong girls. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. This is so cool. Love. Ooh, this one matches the book theme. This one's like our Bookworm theme. So this one has the stickers going like both directions, like the springtime one, but these all match the Bookworm stickers. How cool is that? Okay, this one is spring florals and butterflies. Oh, I love how they're cut on the edge like that to go on the page, like side of your planner page. I love this one. That's really pretty. Gorgeous. Ooh, these are so pretty and they match some of the stickers from the Bloom. I think that does too. The Just Bloom sticker book. Really pretty florals. Really pretty. Love these colors. 2 more to go. Gorgeous. So pretty. Oh, I did a planner spread with the green butterflies. These match the stickers from that. So pretty. This matches her Breakfast at Tiffany's theme. I love the cover to this one. I don't have the matching stickers. If you have the matching stickers, you're going to need this washi roll. Or if you want to make that theme and you don't have the stickers. Or just get both. Okay, so what I want to know in the comments is which theme did you like the best from the stickers and the washi tape? Like which one do you want to see in my plan with me? I'm going to be filming a plan with me very soon. So leave a comment and tell me which theme you liked. The florals, the drawings, the lemons, the bookworm, the bullet journal sticker book, or the kitty cats. Leave your favorite in the comments. All of these stickers and washi tapes are available starting today when this video is posted. And I will have all the details about pricing and all of that in the description box, along with a coupon code and a link to shop shoprongrong.com. Also, she is doing a giveaway very soon, so I will have a link to join the giveaway so you can enter to win a $100 shopping spree. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through. Make sure you're subscribed for more planner videos. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!